Some of the most important lessons I have learned throughout my career are that hard work and passion are important, but working as a team and empowering your teammates are paramount to your journey of learning. As the old adage goes, there is no I in team. My proudest moment at Ivanti has been seeing Team LATAM come together at the end of Q4 last year, firing all cylinders to close strong. The last month of the year, everyone is tired and can easily throw in the towel for the holidays, but nope, not Team LATAM. With regards to how my contributions played a key role, I think it goes back to my first answer. There is no I in team. We all played a key role in our success. I follow one of Dr. Stephen Covey's 7 habits. Seek first to understand and then to be understood. It's hard to know if you don't take a minute to listen to your customer. Having a chance to learn from my peers. What's the next best thing to flying the plane? Being a passenger in the front seat. Watching the pilot navigate through change with calm and ease. Being allowed to learn from your mistakes. That's what does it for me. Is what we do with technology. How we impact millions of people's lives throughout the world. I love what I do. I love what we do.